Hoy ha empezado el Programa Internacional de Epidemiología y Estadística Avanzada, IPAES, con el curso de Inferencia Causal, en el que tenemos a 3 profesores, el doctor Felix Elber, que viene de la Universidad de Wisconsin-Madison, el doctor Tyler Vanderbilt, que viene de la Universidad de Harvard, y el doctor Xavier Basagaña, que viene del Instituto de Salud Global de Barcelona. Y en este curso intentaremos explicar y aprender diferentes métodos para inferir causalidad en nuestros estudios epidemiológicos.
Okay. Causal inference requires causal assumptions. I teach a course on directed acyclic graphs, which offer a purely graphical way to notate those assumptions. Participants in this course learn the basic rules for working with those graphs. They learn to notate their assumptions and then work with those assumptions. And especially we're learning what variables we must control and what variables we must not control for in statistical analysis in order to justify causal conclusions from those data.
I'm Vanderweel. I'm a professor of epidemiology at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, and I'm here teaching a course on causal mediation analysis. Mediation analysis concerns trying to assess what the pathways are when we think an exposure affects a certain outcome. So in this course we talk about different analytic and statistical methods to do so. We also talk about the assumptions that are needed to make inferences about mediation and about pathways, and we talk about sensitivity analysis techniques to evaluate those assumptions. My hope for the course is that it will provide important tools to draw conclusions about mechanisms within epidemiology and the biomedical sciences.
In my course, we are dealing with missing data, and we are doing that from a very practical point of view. The students at the end will know what are the problems that are caused by missing data, what are the assumptions behind some of the analysis, and we'll see several methods to deal with missing data. In particular, we'll focus on multiple imputation and inverse probability weighting. And the students will learn how to implement them in software using examples. Also, they will learn when these methods work, and they will learn to check that the methods have been applied appropriately. So in the end, at the end of the course, we expect the students to be ready to do real analysis dealing properly with missing data.